Hi everyone, welcome again to Hydroinformatics Academy. As usual, my name is Engineer Lodrick, and we have been together in 2021, and I thought maybe it will be a good idea to have this general introduction about our channel, and also to give a roadmap for 2022. So before we even proceed, I'd like to take this opportunity first to welcome all new subscribers, and also to take this opportunity to wish you a happy new year 2022. With that being said, let's get started. So a little introduction about myself. My name is Lodrick Thomas. You can also call me Po Thomas. That is also my name. And professionally, I am irrigation and water supply engineer or water resource engineer. I have been in this field for almost 4 years now. And apart from engineering, I really like to learn and teach. So learning and teaching is like a passion to me. And this is the reason why I opened this channel, because through this channel, it's like I get an opportunity to learn and to teach. You can also follow me on LinkedIn through those handles, Lodrick Thomas, and my channel page, that is Hydroinformatics Academy. So a brief introduction about Hydroinformatics Academy was my channel. I started this channel with one thing in mind, to link water supply with technology. That was the idea from the beginning. Even the channel name itself picked by itself, like Hydroinformatics Academy. So Hydroinformatics. So if you don't know, Hydroinformatics is like a combination of two words. The first one is hydro, the other one is informatics. So hydro is water and informatics is nothing but technology. And I started this channel around 2021, January 2021. And since then, I have uploaded several tutorials on hydraulic modeling, GIS, irrigation, and other topics that are quite related to irrigation and the water supply. Our community has grown to over 1,000 subscribers so far. And at the time when I am recording this video, we have 1,054. And I really expect within this year, this number to grow even more and more. So if you really want to support me or to help my channel to reach more people, we have two things that you can do. The first one is to like any tutorial that I'll be uploading, and also to leave your comment in the comment section, because those are the two things that YouTube normally use to recommend a certain video to even more people. So if you want to assist me to even reach more people like you and me, those are the two things that you can do, like and comment. So in a nutshell, we started this channel to explore a way to link water supply and irrigation with technology, and also as a passion, because I really love to learn and to teach. I also opened this channel as a way to share my knowledge. So if you don't know, I learned EPANET and of course other engineering software through YouTube tutorials. So I asked myself, if I managed to learn how to use EPANET, how to use WaterGEMS through YouTube tutorials, why don't I open a channel and share my knowledge and support the community? Okay, so that is also a reason why I opened this channel, to help and to share my knowledge with the community. So apart from that, the main ideology or philosophy of this channel is to use technology to make smart water decisions, and also to solve water problems by using modern technologies. Okay, so those are the pillar or are the core philosophies behind this channel. And what to expect in 2022? Again, it's very simple. The first thing first is that we are not going to abandon our main objective, that is technology with irrigation and water supply. That is something that we cannot abandon. And apart from that, to share more knowledge with the community. These are the topics that I expect to be covered in 2022. The first one is WaterGEMS. So far we have been talking about EPANET, and we cannot deny the fact that apart from EPANET, we also have WaterGEMS. In the coming 3 tutorials from this one, I expect one of them, or if not both of them, will be about WaterGEMS. And this is very important topic that I think we need to cover as soon as possible. Apart from that, we'll continue making tutorials on EPANET, and also on irrigation side of this channel, crop water and clean water will also be covered. So far, I think we have like maybe 7, if not 10 tutorials on crop water and clean water. But within this year, I expect to add even more tutorials on crop water and clean water. Another one is WaPOR. Of course, WaPOR was introduced by FAO. Of course, the same developers of crop water and clean water, and now they have like another version of crop water. It's more or like another version of crop water, because with WaPOR you can manage crop water productivity and when it comes to agriculture and irrigation. So I think this is something that we also need to cover in this channel. So within 2022, this is something that I believe somewhere we are going to cover as well. Now, other topics. The first one is computer programming. As I said, the main intention of this channel is to link water supply with technology. You cannot talk about technology if you don't know computer programming. And in this modern days and age, especially for us as water engineers or civil engineers, there is no way you are going to run away from computer programming. So this is the reason why I was thinking maybe within this channel, or if possible to open another channel that will be dedicated to computer programming. Of course, we'll see how this plays out, but just know that we also need to cover computer programming. Apart from that, we also have GIS. Of course, so far we have like several tutorials on GIS, like QGIS, but I think we also need to even produce more tutorials on GIS, of course, with relation to water supply and irrigation. So apart from those topics, we are also going to introduce services like well-structured hydraulic modeling courses. Like you have this course that is taking someone from what is EPANET or what is WaterGEMS to a point where he or she is capable of designing his or her own water supply project. And not just that, one-to-one training session. Also, this is something that we can we will introduce within this year. And apart from that, consultation. So let's say you have like your own water supply project. You want someone to review it or to check. Or let's say you have your water supply project, you want someone to design it from scratch. This is the service also that we are going to introduce within this year. So if you have any other idea, make sure that you leave them in the comment section below. And thank you so much for being our community member. Thank you so much for being supporter of Hydroinformatics Academy. And I'd like to take this opportunity once again to wish you a happy new year 2022. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.